Hello everybody and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen. This episode is premiering on New Year's Day, so Happy New Year to everyone. Hope you have an outstanding and healthy 2024. So to celebrate that, and this also being our season 2 finale, I thought it would be fun to make a classic Italian style dessert, one that is beloved by many, tiramisu. I first had tiramisu when we were in Las Vegas. They had it at our hotel. I tried it, absolutely loved it, and I've been a huge fan ever since. The great thing about tiramisu is there's absolutely no baking in this recipe, but there are quite a few ingredients and steps. For our ingredients, here is the lady fingers. These were kind of hard to find. I couldn't find them in the store, so I had to order them online. Key ingredient. The other key ingredient, though, is the mascarpone cheese. Had to have that. That's a very key ingredient. We'll also use eggs. Here's our dark rum, espresso, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, and sugar. Before we start with our dark rum and espresso, we'll get a pan over here with some simmering water, and then now we'll do half a cup of dark rum. Right into our bowl there. And then this is going to be 1.5 cups of espresso. Made this ahead of time, and we'll get the rest of it. Right there, that'll be for our lady fingers for later. Then we'll set aside our dark rum and espresso, and next we'll get our mascarpone cheese and get that into our bowl. Bring all of it out here. This cream is great. It's really like a lighter cream. Tastes very good. It's a key ingredient. Next, we'll add 1/4 cup of dark rum, and we'll just whisk that together until it's smooth. So it's coming along nicely here. Next, we'll come back to our pan with simmering water. I just turned it on just to keep it a little warm, and then we'll work on our egg yolks. So this is a little tricky part. Let's see if I can do it. And then we'll come over here. Kind of let some of that white drop down. This is a delicate part. Okay, that's most of it there, and then there is one of our egg yolks. So now we have our 6 egg yolks. To this we'll add 2/3 cup of sugar. This is 1/3. And then here is our 2/3 cup. For 2/3, it's handy to have 1/3 cup measuring. And we'll add that in. And then we're going to whisk this until it's smooth. We're making great progress. Now we'll go back over to our simmering pan over here. Just a little warm. You don't want it boiling. And we'll put this bowl right on top of it there. And then we'll whisk this until the sugar dissolves. You can just use your finger to make sure that the sugar has all dissolved. And once it has, I let this cool down for a bit. And then we're going to add our egg mixture to our mascarpone. And we'll get this over here. And then we will whisk this into our mascarpone. Once we're done whisking this, we will just set it aside. And then we'll work on our final mixture, which is the heavy whipping cream and vanilla extract. So here's our 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. This is 16 floral ounces. all of it in there. And then we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now at this point you could do this with a handheld mixer, or if you have another mixer you can pour the mixture in there and mix it up. I'm just going to use a whisk though, and we're going to whisk this until there's slightly stiffer peaks on the heavy whipping cream. We don't want to over whip it, but just give it some structure. Once we have about this consistency, then we're going to add our egg mixture into it, like that. And then we'll continue mixing this. Next, we're ready to start working on the lady fingers. A key part here is you should only dip this in the dark rum and espresso for about 2 seconds, like this on each side. Another maybe 2 seconds, and then lay it down in the pan. And we'll just repeat this with all the lady fingers, just about 2 seconds, like that, and lay it down. For the second layer, I'm going to lay them down lengthwise here, just so they'll fit like that. And next we're ready to start adding our mixture on top of the lady fingers. So I'm going to try to do about half of our mixture on top of the lady fingers. About like that. That's good. Then we'll continue soaking and placing the lady fingers. And again, you only need about maybe 2 seconds in our dark rum and espresso. Then we'll add the rest of our mixture on top of our lady fingers here. Oh, this is hard to resist eating. And for the last step, we're going to add some cocoa powder on top here. Sprinkle that all over. Don't worry about if this makes a little bit of a mess, because we're going to wipe it with a damp paper towel before we put it into the refrigerator. And then for the sides, we'll just grab a damp paper towel, just run it across the edges before we put it in the refrigerator. Now for me, the hard part, I have to refrigerate it for 24 hours before we can try it tomorrow. But for you guys, we'll just skip ahead to then. And then we'll grab it from our refrigerator after 24 hours in the refrigerator. And we'll take a look at it here. Then we'll cut a piece here. Sometimes getting the first piece out is the hardest challenge. And we'll go right there. So we had to wait 24 hours. Let's give it a taste. There's so many different flavors you can taste. That's awesome. From the cocoa powder to the espresso and the rum and the mascarpone cheese. Really, really delicious. I hope you have a chance to try the tiramisu, and if you do, let me know what you think. Hey, many thanks to Mom for all her help during the second season. Couldn't have done it without her. And thanks so much to you guys for watching. Appreciate you tuning in. And as we close the curtain on the second season, we haven't taken our Christmas tree down yet, so I thought it'd be fun to close with some shots of that. Thanks again so much for watching from the Tellow Family Kitchen. Ciao.